So today we're going to be talking about step 2. Step 2 is a complete interior furnace inspection for rust, mold, and contaminants. What people don't always think about is this heating and air conditioning system pulls air out of your home, goes through the heater, through the air conditioner, goes into your supply duct system, and then comes right back into your home. So it's a continuous cycle. So whatever's trapped inside your home continuously gets moved around inside your home. In some cases, you have really high-end filters that can help remove contaminants from your home that are airborne and keep the equipment clean, but you can't always see what's going on inside there. So step 1 is tearing everything apart. When we get to step 2, we're going to be looking inside of things like this blower motor. Inside here is a big old wheel, and that wheel spins really fast, grabs a bunch of air, and it's kind of like a swimmer's hands. There are cupped louvers in there, and they scoop through the air so that they can throw it through the equipment. Statistics show that 1/16 of an inch of debris inside this cup will cancel out 20% of your airflow. That means when this is running, you're 20% less efficient than you should be. So it's something that should be checked and made sure is clean. So with your blower motor, if it's got 1/16 of an inch of debris in there and it's canceling out 20% of your airflow, that makes your furnace inefficient. The more inefficient it gets, the more you have to pay PG&E. So on most furnaces, the furnace is already 80% efficient by design. So for every dollar you put into your home to heat it, 20 cents is thrown out the window and 80 cents comes into your home. Now, if your blower motor or this cooling coil is clogged up and we're not moving enough airflow and we've lost 20% air, well, let's say we're losing, 30% of your efficiency. So now 30 cents of every dollar is lost out the window, and you're only bringing in 60 cents of your own money. So when's the last time you went to a gas station, paid the gas attendant $10, put $6 in your car, and put the other $3 on the ground? You're 20% less efficient than you should be. So it's something that should be checked and made sure is cleaned. As well, when we're looking inside there, when we get down into this cooling coil, there's an A-frame inside there in most cases, and it looks like a giant radiator inside of a car. So it's just a solid brick of metal that air has to flow through. Now, if there's things that are blocking that, or it's iced up a bunch of times and it's starting to rust over, or water is getting stuck in there, water in cold, dark places isn't good, we want to make sure that none of that's in here. So we're going to get inside here, we're going to be cleaning all that up, checking it, make sure there's nothing in there that can cause any kind of air concerns in your home. We want you to breathe healthy, maybe reduce some asthma, make the house a little bit cleaner with the airflow. So it's a good thing to go through here and check, because when the covers are on, you don't really get to see inside. It just works. We want to make sure that when we're inside here that everything's working right, so your furnace will stay efficient, it'll last longer, and you'll be healthier in your own home.